Yes, hello, dear friends. I'm happy to see you again on this channel. So now, today we are going to see the new tips and tricks on Microsoft Excel. We go on our Microsoft Excel. Okay, choose blank workbook. So now, most people uh, they like to number their data in Excel like this. For instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until to any other number they have in their data. But today, this takes a long and take a time for making a numbering like this. I'm going to show you the three ways that is very simple to make a numbering in Excel. So now let's go. Uh, we are going to have the first step. You write 1, 2, 3. You see that we number only 3 cells. So we go back to the scroll down. Then we scroll, we select that numbers that we have tried to write. Then you scroll until you get any number you need. So let it count from 1 up to 150. You see that we get a numbering on order from 1 up to 150. Another way, this is the one step, okay? Another one, we are going to see the step 2. Another way that you can try to use make a numbering in Excel. So we write in the numbering column, okay? See, as we have, let me use number like this as a title, okay? Then we go to the numbering order. So we are going to write equal sequence, okay? Then we are going to write the number of stock value. Then close bracket. You see that we get a numbering from 1 up to 150. Okay. Another way. Okay. Another way. Another way. We are going to use this one. Step 3. We write only one number of starting value. Then go to the field. Go to the series. Then we select a column because we are not numbering the number in the rows. We are going to number the numbering in the column. So now we have the step value and stop value. We have 150 as stop value. Also, click OK. You see that we get the numbering order up to 150. So, thank you for watching this video. We are here for showing you more tips and tricks in Excel. Please don't not hesitate to follow us on the platform of KGems TV. Especially, you can also subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please do not forget to tell us what do you know next time on our next video. Thank you for watching.